Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to transfer your Polkadot tokens from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through how to move your Polkadot from Bitmart to Robinhood step by step. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transfers can be irreversible. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Robinhood. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including Polkadot. Click on Polkadot to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Before you proceed, verify that you're using the correct network. Polkadot typically uses its own blockchain, so ensure that's selected to avoid any errors. Now, you'll need Robinhood's wallet address. Log into your Robinhood app or website, go to your Polkadot wallet, and copy the deposit address. It's crucial to get this right, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds. Back on Bitmart, paste the Robinhood wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer. Remember to leave enough for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm and approve the transaction, possibly using two-factor authentication for security. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account to confirm when the Polkadot arrives. And that's it, you've successfully moved your assets. A quick tip: always check for any platform-specific fees or minimum withdrawal amounts to make the process smoother. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.